Kathy again from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial to show you how to make coloring book pages on canvas. You can package these together with markers, paint, or crayons even, for maybe kids or even adults to have a little time coloring on canvas. I'm going to show you some of the stuff I've already made. This is what it will look like when it's done. I just have it in a like a t-shirt bag, and here's the actual picture that I put, and this is sublimated, and then I include the colored pencils to go with it. Here's another one I did with just flowers, and that could be more for an adult. Here was the sublimation paper that I used for that first one. And I just used my Sawgrass sublimation printer to print that out. But you can use your Epson or either one. It should come out perfectly. I did, however, figure out that when you use color, it doesn't come out as nice. So you may have to use lamination paper. I don't like putting lamination paper on things, so I prefer to try doing it without. And so this is without. Everything I'm doing today is without lamination paper. All right, so I'm going to turn you to my workstation and we're going to do one together. May need to adjust this just a little bit to make sure that you can see everything. All right, there we go. I think that's the best angle possible. All right, so today I have my blank canvas and I'm going to do this unicorn today. I just printed it off of my printer. So first thing I need to do is cut the protective plastic off of this one. And you can get these from any craft store, Michael's, Joann's, Hobby Lobby. They're not that expensive. You get like 5 in a package for probably $12, $13. Or you can order them on Amazon, and I will leave the link below for one on Amazon. Okay, you gotta remember when you're sublimating, your graphic needs to go backwards, so I've already done that. And then I'm just gonna place this on top. I'm gonna look at it, make sure it's kind of in the center. I could have made this unicorn a little bigger, but this is good for now, just for demonstration purposes. I'm not going to tape it down or anything, and I'm not going to use my big heat press. I'm going to use my easy press, my Cricut easy press for this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it on the whole thing, then I'll do half and then top half. So I'm going to do about 2 passes for each side of this. So I'll put it on here, but then I'm going to go away and come back when it's done. So I'm just going to leave it there. I'll add a little pressure. I'll turn it on too. And then I'll come back after it has completed. Okay, I'm back, and I've pressed each side of this twice. So now let's pull it off and see what it looks like. And as you can see, it's on there. It is a little blurry. And so what I think I'm going to do is also show you how it would look with lamination paper on there. So you can decide. There's probably a sweet spot. I have mine set at 400 for 45 seconds. And I probably went a little too long because the areas that I didn't leave on real long are perfect. So I may have left it on a little bit too long. But you can play with that. You can also, instead of using the easy press, use the mini, and that will probably do the job too. All right, I'm going to get everything I need for lamination, and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. I got my lamination pouches, and I am using the Scott's thermal laminating pouches. And so it comes like this. You open it up, And I will cut it down the middle because I only need one. All right, I'll save that one for another day. And then I'm going to put it face down, the shiny side up on here. And then I'm just going to leave that on there for like 2 or 3 seconds. I got another. Luckily, I have made 2 of these, so we'll try it. And then we're just going to put that on there for like a couple seconds. I hope I have a credit card or something in here, because in order to get the bubbles out, you need to kind of scrape it. All right, so that's all it took. I'm just going to use the back of my scissors because I don't have a credit card right with me, and get those little wavy things out. It's not going to be perfect because I hadn't planned on doing this, so I didn't bring everything in here. And then I can either cut the edges off now, or I can wait till later. I don't think I'll wait till later, because basically I'm just showing you how it will look either way, and then you can choose which way you want to do it. So now that we have that, we can put this right on top and put it in the center. Make sure the tail is in there. I'll raise it up so I can make sure that it's right where I want it to be. See? And I'm using, oh, this is the Koala brand paper. I love this paper. This is actually not the sawgrass paper like I thought it was, but I love this paper. Okay, so I'm not going to tape it down. So I'm going to try not to move it at all. And I'm going to put it on there, and then I'm going to come back when I'm done. Okay, I'm back. I pressed it twice, and this time I didn't put a lot of pressure on it because I wanted to see if that would help the blurriness. So let's look at it together. So I'm going to just lift it right up. And it came out nice. However, I felt it move, and because I didn't tape it down, I have like double lines, if you can see, but that was my mistake. But you can see the difference now, how it looks there and how it looks, where's the other one that I did? Here. And again, with playing around with it and seeing how much time you need, how much pressure and all that, you'll get it perfectly. But as you can see, it does come out much better with the lamination paper. However, I don't know with the lamination paper if you would be able to use, you know, the color pencils and stuff on it. But, you know, you could always print it out in color and just make a picture of it. So you could print it out already colored and sell it as just like some artwork or something. But so right now I'm just cutting the extra plastic. I'm not really even doing a good job. And then I could take my mini press and go over the edges and let it just lay down. But you get the gist of it. This is how you would do it. And I think that makes a nice picture. All right, and then you can see the paper that I used and how much came off. Okay, well, thank you so much. That's the end of our video for today. I hope you got something out of it. And basically, when you're crafting, you just have to keep, you know, it's trial and error, and you just have to see what works for you. So this has been Kathy from Kathy's Jewelry and Crafts. I'm signing off. I'll see you in another video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. My channel is very new, but it's growing rapidly. So please stay tuned for more great videos. Hopefully that will end on the side. Not sure if it does, but